So hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how you can bring your metahuman inside your Unreal Engine as a playable character. So in our previous video we just learned how we can make a metahuman using our Android phone, and in this video we will cover how we can bring that metahuman inside our Unreal Engine as a playable character. So let's get begin. So firstly we will bring our metahuman inside our Unreal Engine, then we will make it a playable character. So for bringing that, simply open your Quixel bridge and make sure to log in with your same account which you used for creating the metahuman inside the metahuman creators. And here inside this my metahuman you will find your metahuman which you created. So simply download and press this arrow, blue arrow, to bring this inside our content browser. And once you are done, just here inside our content browser you will find the blueprint of our recently created, our recently added metahuman, and just double click and open it. And in this point it mostly crashes, so don't worry. And once it will be open you will find some of the missing plugins, so simply enable that all and restart your project again. And once you are in, just simply come to your viewport and there you will find it will prepare some shaders. And now come to your this LODs, and here under force LODs make it one so that our all grooms will be more visible. And now making this as a playable character we can just simply copy every parts, but I don't prefer that because that thing is really time consuming. So instead of that we will directly make it a child of our third person character directly from here. So come under your class settings and here under parent class search for our third person character and select it. And always make sure to save everything, otherwise if it will crash you will lose your all progress. After that simply select our root and make it a child of our this static mesh. This root is our metahuman, and again make sure to save everything. And once you are done simply make the rotation scale as a default, and there you will find that it is a child of our third person character, which means if our third person character will move, it will also move with our third person character. Now what we have to do, we have to add animations inside it. So instead of adding animation by creating a new one, we can just simply use lively retarget mode, which is already present inside our metahuman. So simply come here and just take this on, and there you will find that our metahuman is copying our third person character's animation. Now we have to head over this our third person character, so simply search for a visibility and turn it off, and there you will find our mesh is no more visible and we only have our metahuman. And under advanced visibility setting, make it always check pose and refresh bones. Now we are done with the all viewport settings. Simply compile and save it and open your third person character's blueprint, because now we want all the moving inputs. So I'm not going to make it individually here again, so we will simply copy from our third person blueprint and paste it here. And once you are done with that, what you have to do here, you let me delete this two useless node. We don't have any use of them, and simply bring that here, and there you will find this custom event inside our this input mapping. So simply delete it, we don't need it, and connect our this with our this input mapping first node, and we are all set done. Now we have to do only one thing and we will be all ready. Now come to your project setting, and here under maps and mode you will find select game mode, and just here under default pawn class you will find it is having our third person blueprint, so we have to change it with our metahuman. And that's it, simply cut it and let's give it a try. And there you can see we have our metahuman inside our this game as a default character, and you can also check how much smooth the animation is. So that's enough for this video. If you have any query related to this, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can also join our Discord server for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.